Hello student, in class 8 exercise 2.2 we are in the question number 9. So in the question number 9, first you have to read the question. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present age? So according to question, we have to calculate present age of Rahul and Harun. So we consider let Rahul and Harun present age let Rahul and Harun present age. So here they have given in the ratio, so 5x and 7x. So let Rahul and Harun present age is 5x and 7x. So 4 years later, so next information is after 4 years. So after 4 years means what? You have to add 4. Suppose I tell your age is 5. After 4 years means 5 plus 4, 9. Got that? So same concept will be there. So we assume Rahul age 5, Harun is 7x. So after 4 years, Rahul age equals to 5x plus 4 and Harun age 7x plus 4. And after that, sum of their age will be 56 years. So 4 years later, sum of the age you have to calculate. So it means 5x plus 4, this is one part after 4 years, 7x plus 4. So sum of their age will be 56. So this is our equation that we calculated. Now you have to solve that. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. 12x. Then you solve the number. 4 plus 4, it is 8. Then 12x equals to 56 minus 8. So it means 12x equal to 48. So x is 48 divided by 12. So it means what is the value of x? 4. Because if you divide 48 by 12, it is 4, because 12 into 4 is 48. So in this question you have to calculate the present age. So it means present age of Rahul equals to, present age of Rahul is equals to, it is nothing but 5x. So what you will do, x value is 4, 5 into 4 is 20. So Rahul, present age of Rahul is 20. Next one is present age of Harun is, it is nothing but which? 7x. So it means 7 into x. X is what? 4. So it is 20. So the present age of Rahul and Harun is nothing but 20 and 28 years. So this is the present age. So you can write also here 20 years. And here also 28 years. Then after that we will go to the next question. So our next question, so here next question is question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boy is 8 more than number of girls. So what is the total strength? So in this question they have given number of boys and girls in the ratio of 7:5. So let number of boys and girls 7x and 5x. This is the given information. So we assume it is 7x and 5x. then the number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Suppose I tell you 10 boys are there, 5 girls are there. So if you do subtraction, it is a 5. So it means that number of boys are more. By how much? 5. Their difference is 5. So here also same thing is there. The number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. So how we can calculate this? 7x minus 5x equals to 8. So in this way we can come into conclusion. So it is nothing but 2x equals to 8. X is 8 divided by 2. So here x value is what? 4. 2 4s are 8. So here we calculated the value of x. Finally, in the question we have to calculate total string. So here number of boys. Number of boys means it is what? 7x. So 7x means 7 into 4, 28. And number of girls is what? 5x. So 5x means 5 into 4, it is 20. So total means number of boys plus number of girls. Number of boys plus number of girls. So number of boys 28 plus number of girls 20. So it is what? 48. So our answer is 48. So total strength of the class is 48. So after this we will go to the next question. 11. So here the information is given. The Baichu's father is 26 years younger than Baichu's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichu's. The sum of ages of all these three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? That we have to calculate. So if you see the question, you might be getting confusion because the more conditions are given. So we will do it in rough. So here Baichung stands for B. I am writing in short. And his father is nothing but, we assume B's father means Baichung father. And then his grandfather, that is B, then GF. So here according to the statement, if you solve, so Baichung father is 26 year. Baichung father is 26 year. Suppose we assume Baichu's age X. Or before that, Baichu's father is 26 year younger than the Baichu's grandfather. So suppose we assume grandfather is S. So his grandfather is younger than 29. So it will become X minus 29. Then after that, older than Baichu's. Older than Baichu's means here we will face the problem because we don't have the idea about Baichu's age. Now we will do in somewhat other order. Suppose I assume Baichu's is X. Okay. Then we start reading. Baichu's father is 26 years younger than Baichu's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichu's. 29 older than Baichu's. So Baichu's age is X. So X plus 29. So right now we solve two expression. And Baichu's father is 26 years younger than Baichu's grandfather. So younger than grandfather means we write X plus 29 plus 26. We will solve in different way. Why I have written 26? Because we have to create one expression for Baichu's grandfather. So Baichu's grandfather according to the statement is 26 years younger. So it means X plus 29 means what you can write? X plus 29 minus 26. Got that? But in place of writing this, we will write grandfather age X plus 29 plus 26, because one thing is here clear, grandfather will be definitely older than Baichu's father. So this, according to this logic, you have to write here plus 26 so that we have now 3 expression. So now we will solve that. Let Byju's age is X. Okay, this is our statement. Then Byju's father age is, what about the age? X plus 29. And after that, this is first, this is second, then third one. So Byju's grandfather age is X plus 29 plus 26. Once you calculated this, remaining thing will be easy. Next part is sum of all 3 ages is 135. So it means X, because the Byju's age we assume X, plus father is X plus 29, grandfather is X plus 29 plus 26 equal to 135. So now we got the equation and now we have to solve. So X is coming 3 times. So directly write 3X plus 29, 29 and 26 that you have to add. So here you have to do addition. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. So here 2 carry. So here 2 is there 4 times. So it is 84. Plus 84 equal to 135. So it means 3x equal to 135 minus 84. So it means 3x equal to, you have to calculate that, 5 minus 4 1. Here 13 minus 8 you have to calculate. So it is 13 here. So it is 5. So here 0 will be there. So it is 51. So finally here we have done with 51, then x equal to 51 by 3. So you have to divide this number by 3. 3 ones are 3. So here 2 will be there and 1 you take from upside. 3 into 7, 21. Remainder will be 0. So here x equal to 17. This is the actual answer. Now after that we will simply put the value. So here according to expressions that we have created, Byju's age equal to 17 because we assume that it is the x. So next one is Byju's father age equal to, what we assume, father age x plus 29. So it is x plus, x means 17. 17 plus 29 that you have to calculate. So x plus 29 means here 29 plus 17. So here 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So it is 46. Finally here Byju's grandfather age is, what is that, x plus 29 plus 26. So x plus 29 we already calculated. So it is what, 46. 46 plus 26. So it is what, 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1, 72. So it is 72 years. So here the Byju's age will be 17 years and father is 46 years and grandfather is 72 years. So I hope friend you understood this. After that we will move to the next question. Next question is question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. what is Ravi's present age. So here we assume let Ravi's present age is what? X. Okay, we assume Ravi age is X, present age. Then after 15 years from now, so we can say here after 15 years from now means after 15 years. So it means after 15 years Ravi age equals to X plus 15. Why it is X plus 15? Suppose your age is 2 years and after 5 years it will be 7, because 2 plus 5 it is 7. So in this way we write here X plus 15. Along with that, one more information is there. 15 years from now Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. Means after 15 years that we know Ravi age will be then X plus 15. But it is 4 times. It is equal to 4 times his present age. So what about the present age? We assume X. But it is 4 times of present X, means 4X. So our equation will become X plus 15 equal to 4X. Now you can easily solve. So here 15 as it is, we move that X in that side so that we can solve that. 4X minus X, 15 equal to 3X. Now we can change the side. We interchange them. So 3X equals to 15. So finally X equal to 15 upon 3. So it means X equal to 5, because 3 into 5 is 15. So here you can write X is what? Ravi's present age, and in the question same is asking what is Ravi's present age. So Ravi's present age is 5 years old. Okay, that you can say. So Ravi's age will be 5 years. So I hope friend you understood these questions. Thanks for watching. Thank you.